Achieving a showroom shine on your car at home is easier than you might think. Start by giving your vehicle a thorough wash, removing dirt and grime with gentle circular motions. Next, use a high-quality clay bar to lift away embedded contaminants for a silky smooth finish. Apply a premium polish to enhance the paint's depth and gloss, then seal your hard work with a durable wax or sealant. With patience and the right products, your car will gleam like new. To detail the interior of your car, start by removing all floor mats and vacuuming seats, carpets, and crevices using a soft bristled brush and a high-powered vacuum. Clean leather seats with a dedicated leather cleaner and microfiber cloth, while fabric upholstery benefits from a gentle upholstery cleaner and soft brush. For dashboards and trim, use a non-greasy interior cleaner and a microfiber towel, ensuring all surfaces are dust-free and streak-free. Finish by cleaning glass with ammonia-free glass cleaner for crystal-clear windows. Begin by gathering essential tools: a high-quality car wash mitt, 2 buckets, one for soapy water and one for rinsing, a pH-balanced car shampoo, microfiber towels, a clay bar kit, polish, applicator pads, and wax or paint sealant. Rinse the car thoroughly to remove loose dirt, then wash using the 2-bucket method to prevent scratches. After drying, glide the clay bar over lubricated surfaces to lift embedded contaminants. Apply polish in circular motions, buffing to enhance shine, and finish by sealing with wax or sealant for lasting protection. When it comes to essential tools for car detailing, certain brands consistently stand out for their quality and reliability. DeWalt leads the industry, frequently recommended for both power and hand tools due to its outstanding trust scores and professional-grade performance. Milwaukee also ranks highly with its M18 fuel tools and pack-out storage system favored by pros and enthusiasts alike. Makita's 18V LXT line is praised for battery compatibility, while Ryobi's 1 Plus series offers versatile, budget-friendly options for DIYers. For hand tools, Knipex is the preferred choice among professionals for precision and durability. Regularly detailing your car offers significant advantages when it's time to sell. A well-maintained exterior with glossy paint, clean wheels, and spotless glass creates a strong first impression, immediately signaling care and value to potential buyers. Inside, a fresh, odor-free cabin with pristine upholstery and dust-free surfaces enhances comfort and appeal. These details can boost buyer confidence, justify a higher asking price, and help your car stand out in a competitive market, ultimately leading to a quicker, more profitable sale.